Today we've got the Belair in the shop. Going to be working on it. It's getting hot out and I'm going to upgrade my fans. These fans here are off of a 4th gen F-body LT1 car. And they work pretty good. They stick out quite a ways. They've got a, I don't know, probably about a 2-inch shroud there, and then the motor sticks out another inch or so from that. And I don't hardly ever use them, but the last time I tried, let me turn them on here and you'll be able to hear it. Got the bearings starting to go out of them. So, bought me a new set off eBay. I'll pull them out. Here they are. It's dual 12-inch fans. Same size fans that those are. I don't know if these flow as much air, but they're a lot slimmer. So give me a little more room in there. Plus, with this motor in this car, I think I've only had to turn the fans on 1 or 2 times because it doesn't heat at all. So get these fans taken off and see if those new ones fit on there. Here are the 2 sets of fans next to each other. The new ones look a lot cleaner, a lot less cluttered. So get this put in. Here's the height difference. So we'll get these put in and see what they look like. Here are the new fans installed. Haven't got them wired yet, getting ready to do that. They look pretty good in there. Give it a lot more room between the motor and the fan package. So now if I need even more room, I have a 1.5-inch spacer up here that came on this car that I can take out. So get to wiring these up and see if they're any quieter. Got the fans wired up, so now we'll see how they sound. Well, might see how they sound if I put the intake back on with the mass airflow sensor. So put that on and try it again. Got the intake put back on. Maybe it'll run now. Well, it's not squealing, so that's good. Oh, yeah. Like it moves a good amount of air. That's just one fan running. The way that the PCM was set up when I got it was for one fan to be for whenever the car gets hot, and the other one will come on for the air conditioner. But I don't have air conditioner, so we'll see if this fan keeps it cool. We'll leave it how it is. If not, we'll put the other one on a switch so we can turn it on too. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe and leave a comment.